In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use ChatGPT for HR, a step-by-step guide. Let's keep it practical and clear. Start by routing each task to the right performance tier. At the top of your chat workspace, open the model selection framework and choose the engine that fits your goal. Leave it on the instant tier when you need speed. It replies in milliseconds and is perfect for polishing standard company announcements, cleaning up typos on internal notices, formatting an employee handbook index, or spinning up a quick list of team building icebreakers. Switch to the thinking tier for heavier lifts that require deep reasoning. Use it to draft comprehensive compliance guidelines, design employee retention strategies, analyze performance frameworks, or build neutral conflict resolution templates. Next, create stronger job postings with the de-risked job description creator prompt. This avoids vague summaries and keeps internal data anonymous. Copy and paste. Act as an elite corporate talent acquisition director and senior technical recruiter. I need to build a high-performance job description for an insert job title, e.g. senior front-end developer, specializing in insert core focus, e.g. React and mobile responsive UI platforms. Write a structured, compliance-friendly job posting detailing role overview, core performance responsibilities, required technical competencies, certifications, and preferred cultural traits. Ensure the tone is professional, inclusive, and avoids uninspired industry buzzwords. Review the draft for local legal requirements and company voice, then save it as a reusable template. To standardize interviews and reduce bias, generate an objective interview rubric before you meet candidates. Paste. Act as a workforce development specialist and behavioral hiring consultant. I am interviewing candidates for the position of insert job role name. Create a comprehensive interview rubric featuring 4 highly targeted behavioral questions based on the STAR methodology: situation, task, action, result, to evaluate insert core skill to test, e.g., conflict resolution and cross-functional team leadership. For each question, provide an explicit scoring guide outlining what constitutes a poor, average, and elite response. Use the scorecard consistently across every interviewer. Finally, prepare for some difficult conversations with the neutral conflict resolution prompt. Paste. Act as a master corporate mediator and employee relations director. An internal dispute has arisen between team members regarding briefly described dispute objective, e.g. missed project deadlines and communication breakdowns during a product launch. Draft a neutral, completely non-punitive mediation meeting agenda and a communication script I can use to guide both parties toward a collaborative solution. The tone must be empathetic, highly professional, and focused entirely on behavioral frameworks and operational fixes rather than personal fault. Share the agenda in advance and document agreed actions. That is all. Thank you for watching, and see you guys on the next one.